What are you doing, Santi? Are you coloring? Are you coloring in your finger paint? Let me see. Good job. Oh, there it goes. Let's see if we can make bear tracks. You want to make bear tracks? Make bear tracks. Oh, you made bear tracks. Let me see you do it. No, make bear tracks. Your finger paint doesn't go on your head, silly. No. Let me see your picture. Can you show everybody what you made? Oh, that's pretty. Let's see your colors. Can you do your colors? Colors, yes. What color is this? Blue. Can you say blue? Blue. What color is this? Red. Can you say red?
No.
No? Red.
No.
Red.
No.
Red.
No.
Oh. How about yellow?
No.
Yellow.
No.
Yeah, yellow.
No.
Yellow.
No.
Oh, and green?
No.
You don't like green.
No.
You never want to say green.
No.
Say green.
No.
No. Green.
No.
Why don't you like green?
No.
Oh. I think you made some purple in there. Can you say purple? Purple. Yeah. Oh, okay. Are you done coloring? Are you done with your finger paint? You did a good job. That kept you occupied for like a whole 15 minutes. Can you believe it? Believe it? Believe? Yeah, Bubba's eating. Okay. Say see you later. Bye. You will kiss? Mwah. Mwah. Say bye-bye.
Bye-bye.
You silly. Say bye-bye.